Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PixelFlow. You click on settings. In this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings, and above here we'll search about PixelFlow. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then here you click on clear cache. After that you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then we go to Play Store. You will search about PixelFlow. If you find updates, then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.